Today I am going to cover one interesting little grass. This one. Botanical name I succeeded in getting. It's called some Fimbristylis or something. The correct name I will write in the title of this video. It's a very tiny grass that is one of this paddy field weed that comes after the monsoon. I think two quite interesting 2-3 grasses are there. So that's how it looks. It's a good, it's a nice item inside a terrarium and all, because this is the, I think this is the big maximum size, and it likes that moist kind of waterlogged places without water, but after water recedes. Here, for example, the soil is still moist, and then since it's a valley bottom and a paddy field, it has that clayey soil which retains the water for a long time. We'll have one close look now, then I'll close the video. So, looks nice. So that is one. The other, I think each one I'll do a separate video so that it's distinct and clear. That's the size of the grass. This is one of the very nice paddy field. I think one crop only they have taken out this year. So that's another plant of the paddy field.